See usage instructions for Travel Planner in the Help section. All your traveling data will be saved in trips, destinations, and packing list. Let us see all one by one. Add your trip name, date, select packing items, total duration in days, status, and note if needed. Filter all your trips to find out the one you are looking for. Next is your destination list for a trip. Add start and end destinations, total distance, estimated cost, day number of a trip, date, select yes or no if staying for a night, short description of destination and select the trip name that belongs to this place. Packing list is maintained here. You can add more or update as needed. Based on our entries, this year's upcoming, next year's, finished and cancelled trips will appear in the respective sections. Next 3 months is the place you have to see for preparing in advance. See trip name, date and packing list. You can also start making bookings based on your destinations of your next trip. Here in the destinations, you can select the trip and see all destinations for pre-planning your trip and also during the trip for tracking a progress. Get this travel planner along with other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.